Tired of accidents happening and having no proof? Worried about road rage incidents or hit-and runs? You're not alone. That's why today, we're diving deep into the top dash cams on the market. These little gadgets can be your best friend on the road, capturing crucial evidence in case of any unexpected events. From crystal clear recordings to advanced features like parking mode and GPS tracking, we've got you covered. Remember, all the links to purchase these amazing dash cams are down in the description below, so check them out if any of them pique your interest. Let's get started. On number 5 we have REDTIGER F7N. It's a high-performance dash cam designed to capture crystal clear footage of your driving experiences. With its advanced features and robust build quality, the F7N provides peace of mind and valuable evidence in case of accidents or unforeseen events. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its 4K Ultra HD recording. You can experience exceptional video quality with 4000 resolution, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. It also offers Sony Starvis sensor. This cutting-edge sensor excels in low-light conditions, ensuring high-quality footage even during night driving. It also provides super night vision. Its enhanced night vision capabilities capture clear and bright footage in even the darkest environments. It also provides dual-channel recording. It simultaneously records front and rear views for comprehensive coverage and added safety. It also has built-in GPS. It can track your location and driving speed for accurate incident reconstruction and travel logs. It also provides emergency recording. Its G-sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically locks recorded footage to protect crucial evidence. It also offers loop recording, seamlessly override older footage while preserving important events. It also has voice control. You can conveniently control key functions like recording, snapshots, and settings with voice commands. Final verdict: the REDTIGER F7N is a top-tier dash cam that excels in video quality, low-light performance, and feature-rich functionality. Its 4K resolution, Sony Starvis sensor, and super night vision provide exceptional image clarity in all lighting conditions. The dual-channel recording, GPS integration, and emergency recording features enhance safety and provide valuable evidence in case of incidents. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, the F7N offers a comprehensive and reliable solution for drivers seeking peace of mind and enhanced road safety. Number 4. On number 4 we have ROVE R2. It's 4K dual dash cam with high-quality dual-lens camera designed to capture crystal-clear footage of your driving experience. With its advanced features and impressive image quality, the R2 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable and detailed dash cam protection. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its dual-lens recording system. The ROVE R2 records simultaneously in stunning 4K resolution from the front camera and 1080p resolution from the rear camera, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. It also provides superior night vision. Thanks to the powerful Sony Starvis 2-image sensors, the R2 delivers exceptional low-light performance, ensuring clear and detailed footage even in the darkest conditions. It also offers high dynamic range. Its HDR technology automatically adjusts exposure to capture details in both bright and dark areas, resulting in balanced and vibrant images. It also provides wide-angle viewing. The 150 front and 140 rear viewing angles provide a wide field of view, capturing more of the road and surrounding environment. It also has built-in GPS. The integrated GPS module accurately records your location, speed, and route, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident or incident. It also offers Wi-Fi connectivity. It can easily connect to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi to view, download, and share your dash cam footage. It also has parking mode. The parking mode automatically records when motion or impact is detected, providing protection even when your car is parked. It also offers loop recording. This feature automatically overwrites the oldest footage with the newest, ensuring your storage space doesn't fill up. It also provides G-sensor. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden impacts or accelerations, locking recorded footage to protect it from being overwritten. Final verdict: the ROVE R2 dash cam is a top-of-the-line option that delivers exceptional performance and features. With its dual-lens recording, superior night vision, and robust set of additional features, it offers peace of mind and protection on every drive. Whether you're a cautious driver or simply want to capture memorable moments on the road, the ROVE R2 is an excellent investment. Number 3. On number 3 we have Vantrue N4 Pro 3. It's a 3-channel dash cam that offers comprehensive coverage and exceptional video quality. It features a 4000 front camera, a 1080p interior camera, and a 1080p rear camera, providing a complete view of your surroundings. With its advanced Sony Starvis 2 image sensor and HDR technology, the N4 Pro 3 captures clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its 4K Ultra HD front camera. It captures stunningly detailed footage with a wide 155-degree field of view. It also offers 1080p interior and rear cameras. It provides comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's interior and rear. It also has Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. It delivers exceptional low-light performance and accurate color reproduction. It also provides HDR technology, enhances image quality by balancing bright and dark areas. It also has plate pix technology. It improves license plate clarity for added security. It also offers built-in GPS. It tracks your location and speed for accurate incident reporting. It also provides 256 GB storage. It provides ample storage for hours of continuous recording. It also offers loop recording. It automatically overwrites older footage when the storage is full. It also has G-sensor. It detects sudden impacts and locks the current footage to prevent overwriting. It also offers Wi-Fi connectivity. It allows for easy video playback and download using the Vantrue View app. It also has parking mode. It monitors your vehicle while parked and records events triggered by motion or impact. Final verdict: the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a high-quality and reliable dash cam. Its 3-channel design, exceptional video quality, and advanced features provide comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. While it may be a bit more expensive than some other dash cams, its performance and features justify the price. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line dash cam that offers the best possible protection, the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 is an excellent option. Number 2. On number 2 we have Garmin Dash Cam 67W. It's a discreet and feature-rich dash cam designed to capture high-quality footage of your journeys. With its compact size and robust capabilities, it offers peace of mind and valuable evidence in case of accidents or unforeseen events. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its crystal clear recording. The 67W records in 144p resolution at 60 frames per second, capturing sharp details and smooth playback. It also provides wide field of view. Its 180-degree field of view ensures that you have a comprehensive view of the road, including intersections and surrounding areas. It also offers voice control. It conveniently controls your dash cam with voice commands, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. It also provides GPS integration. Its built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, providing accurate timestamps and coordinates for recorded footage. It also has driver alerts. You can stay alert with features like forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and red light and speed camera notifications. It also offers parking mode. Even when your car is parked, the 67 West can monitor for incidents and record events, providing additional protection. Final verdict: the Garmin Dash Cam 67 West is a reliable and feature-packed option for drivers seeking peace of mind and added protection on the road. Its high-quality recording, wide field of view, and driver assistance features make it a valuable investment for anyone who spends time behind the wheel. Now talk about number 1. On number 1 we have VIOFO 229 Plus. It's a compact and feature-rich dash cam designed to capture high-quality footage of your driving experiences. With its discreet design and advanced features, it offers reliable protection and peace of mind on the road. Now talk about its key features. Key feature number 1 is its superior video quality. It records in crystal clear 2.5K resolution at 30 FPS, capturing sharp details and license plates. It is equipped with a Sony IMX335 sensor for exceptional low-light performance. It also provides wide dynamic range. It effectively balances bright and dark areas in the frame, ensuring clear visibility even in challenging lighting conditions. It also has built-in GPS. It tracks your location and speed, providing valuable data for accident reconstruction and insurance claims. It also has parking mode. It continuously monitors your vehicle while parked, triggering recording when motion or impact is detected. It also supports external battery packs for extended parking mode functionality. It also offers loop recording. It overwrites older footage with new recordings seamlessly, ensuring continuous recording without filling up the memory card. It also provides dual-channel recording. It captures both front and rear view simultaneously for comprehensive coverage. It also has compact and discreet design. Its low-profile design minimizes distractions and blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. It also provides user-friendly interface. It also provides easy-to-use interface and intuitive controls make setup and operation simple. Final verdict, the VIOFO 229 Plus is a highly recommended dash cam for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich solution. Its exceptional video quality, robust parking mode, and comprehensive features make it an excellent choice for both daily commuting and road trips. Whether you're concerned about accidents, parking incidents, or simply want to capture your driving adventures, the 229 Plus delivers outstanding performance and peace of mind. So there you have it, our top picks for the best dash cams on the market. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect road companion. Remember, driving safety should always be a top priority, and a reliable dash cam can provide you with peace of mind and valuable evidence in case of any unforeseen incidents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. And as always, happy driving!